Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about periods. Yeah guys, you heard me right. So we are going to talk about the tips, tricks, product, ways, hacks that you might need to make your life a bit easier. You want to make those days a bit easier for yourself so that you can wear your favorite dresses, you can do whatever activity that you want to do. If you want to know what all you can do to have that, then keep on watching. So guys, first of all, when you just got your periods, you just go to your mom. Obviously you don't have anyone else, and you're young, so you can't share it with anyone, and your mom will provide you with a basic pad that she used to use all the time. So this is the pack. This is Cortex. You get this in Stay Free. I think Stay Free was the first one to come to India. These are the ones that you will receive. Honestly speaking, these are not the greatest. They are very thick. They don't have any support, so that they are not supposed to stay into a certain place. They will shift here and there, which can cause leakage, and it's not good for your school or even for anywhere. So you can probably use these when you have a very low, when you're having spots, you can use this, but it's not the best for your first, second, third and fourth day. Okay, so if you want to use pads, I will suggest you to use this one. It's the Whisper Ultra XL Plus wing. So first of all, it's very thin and it has wings, so it will stay into its own place, the place where you want it, it will stay. And it's very thin and it has long wear formula, so this is much more leak proof than those pads. But one thing that is not right with this one is it will make you feel wet, and it will give you the sensation that you are on your period, so that you constantly have this thing in your mind that you are on your periods. So if you want, if you're comfortable in this, you are like, okay, I'm fine with it, then use this one. And one more advice I want to give that I didn't know when I was 14 years old was the XL wings is very important. So you have XL, double XL and even triple XL wings. So it depends by the panty size that you're using, because large panty means a large area to cover. So you need bigger wings to cover that area. And small panties will require XL wing will fine. If you don't want to feel any sort of wetness, you want to be free, you want to wear your shorts, you want to go swimming, you want to go play tennis, you want to go play any sport, you want to run a marathon, you have a dance function. I always have this question that when I am on my periods, I used to think that what do actresses and singers do, because Taylor Swift, she can't cancel a world tour just because she is on her period for like 3 days. Neither do Deepika or any other actress can cancel their schedule because it is pre-planned, just because they're on their periods. So I don't know what they do, but it took me a long time to realize what they really do. So everyone use a tampon. Now a tampon is great, and it has changed my life, and it has changed everything since I've started using it, probably like 3 years ago. This is the one and only brand that you'll find in India, and I am giving stress on this brand because the other brand are like ABC, and the other one that you might end up finding at a grocery store or at a chemist, they don't have an applicator for, so it is very hard for you to manually insert it. But this one has an applicator, so the application for the tampon is very easy with this one. So you can use this will stay up to your vajayjay for like 6 to 8 hours depending upon your flow. If you have a heavy flow, try to change it within 5 to 6 hours, and if you have mild flow, you can stay it with 7 hours, 7 to 8 hours. But please make sure that you don't leave this into your vajayjay for more than 8 hours, because one more thing that comes with it is the tension for TSS. Now TSS don't occur normally. It's not something that will happen like, oh, I forgot to take out the tampon for like 10 hours and I get a TSS. No, But sometimes when you keep the tampon in your vajayjay for a long amount of time, because it's dirty blood and it has bacteria in it, and the bacteria will grow, and they will cause TSS, stand for toxic shock syndrome, which is fatal. So this is the only thing that comes with it. But honestly guys, the periods we get has a lot more problems than the problem of TSS. Hence why it is very important for me to use this one, because I feel disgusting in a pad. And try to avoid wearing these at nights, because most of the time we slept for more than 8 hours, and in that case you have to put alarm to change it. So try to use a pad at night. It's just for the night, you have to sleep in that pad, so that will be a lot more comfortable, because even if you sleep in, you don't have any tension. If you don't want to have any tension of the TSS, then you have to use a menstrual cup. Now guys, I haven't used menstrual cup, but I bought it. As you can see, I have it, but I never get up the courage to use it. But you can use it, as I've seen a lot of videos. It's very easy to insert and stuff like that, and it has a string. A lot of strippers and actresses are using. You can sleep with it. It has a 12-hour duration, because and it's reusable. So if you are spending like 200 and 300 rupees, you'll get it a lifetime value for this one. While for the tampons, you'll pay 180 rupees and you'll get like 9 of these. So these are the three things. One more thing that I want to include in this one, which I didn't know from earlier, is the panty liner. You can either use it for daily wears, because most of the when you have your daily discharge, you can use these. They are very hygienic. They look like this. It's a very thin. It's almost a paper like form. It is very helpful when you have your spotting days and you are done wearing the pad and you get rashes. This won't cause rashes because it's very soft and this is very cheap. So you get this one is my favorite brand and the favorite one. These are Bella. They are the Herbs Panty liners, and they are 16 numbers, and I bought them for 140 rupees, which is probably which is great. Like, you're getting 60 for 140 rupees, and you can wear it on daily purposes. So guys, these are the things that I have learned and that you can use on your periods. And the tampons will make your life a lot and a lot easier. I am the person, I get enormous stomach and back pain, and I couldn't even move my body when I am on my periods. But wearing a tampon really helped me, because for the whole day I'm sorted. I don't feel that constant wetness, and I feel like it's like fine. I don't feel like I can go to the gym and I can exercise and it will stay at its place, and just I have to come back home and just change it. It's very convenient to use, so you can use it in public toilets, in your schools. Just you have to wash your hands before applying this and wash your hands afterwards for a more hygienic application. So guys, this will conclude my video. If you have any question regarding periods, menstruation, just please tell me no in the comments. I'll try to answer them. I hope you like this video, and if you find it informative and helpful, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as always. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.